Emergency, emergency, you never see me coming. Baby, tell me what's your name? Tell me what's your number? Is it me or something else? Cause your back I see thunder. You driving me insane. You mess with my medulla. I go let you go in vain. I wanna catch you now forever. Oh, emergency, emergency, you never see me coming.
Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to play Emergency by Dbanj, or this version, Kpee's version, in the voice. Alright, so this was done in the key of F. Alright, so quickly, before I go into the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do so by clicking the subscribe button down below here and hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post new videos. All right, so first we are starting with the, you can play this in your church, you can add it to your grooves. So we are starting with the La or the 6th. So you play this chord, this D minor 7, right? D minor 7, then your left hand with my splitted bass. I'm playing bass on my left, you just play octave. So emergency, emergency, bam. So right hand A, this is C, D, F. This is what you play. Alright, so the next, you play that twice. Emergency, emergency, never see me coming. So you play 1, 2, 3, then you go to this chord here is an inverted C chord. So G, C, E, then so the progression is just La. You can add the minor 7. La, so, La, so, La, so. That's what the right hand plays. Then sometimes you can vamp. Alright, so that's what you'll be playing on your right hand. Quickly, let's go to the left hand. Left hand groove is I can play something down here. So La, or which is a D, C, C. This is the A, back to the C. So your right hand play that's what you're playing, both hands together. That's how it sounds. So then the last part, they break. Then you a run. The same thing, left hand and right hand. La, ti, do, re, mi. Then you land on the La again. So, alright, sometimes I play. So, mi, do, ti, la. So, can play D sus 2 and quickly come back to D minor 7. Alright, so emergency, emergency, never see you coming. So Alright, so thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop your comments. And if you have any video requests or tutorial requests, you can drop it in the comment section below. Thank you for liking this video and thank you for watching. God bless you.